just 100 years ago. And our human body is very slow to adapt, and our poor liver is absolutely overburdened, which is why we see so much fatty liver, liver cirrhosis, and then, of course, all of these chronic illnesses. So, how are these toxicities impacting your life? Well, first of all, we've had over 100,000 man-made chemical toxins introduced since World War II. They're getting into our body through our airways, our waterways, through our food. We walk out on the street, we have exhaust fumes from cars getting onto our skin. We have personal care products that are full of toxins that you buy at the drugstore, all with names that are so long you can't even begin to pronounce them. And we put them on our skin, and in 26 seconds, that's in our bloodstream. And you might think these products are safe because they're sold at the store. And they're allowed to be sold at the store because in North America, we have very limited testing required of companies that want to introduce new products to the market. And if there is testing, they're testing that one product for a very short amount of time to determine that it's generally regarded as safe, versus testing that product with all the other different products that you are using as you go through your day, every day over the course of days, weeks, months, and years. And so we are the giant experiment. And what we're seeing is it's failing because we have more and more chronic illness every year. So what can you do about that? We need to help our body get these toxins out. We need to do a proper functional medicine detox in order to remove those physical toxins from our physical body. But we also have emotional toxins, all of those emotions that we weren't allowed to feel as children and told not to bring to the workplace, and told boys don't cry or big girls don't cry. And we learn to stuff down our emotions and bury them in a tub of ice cream or a box of brownies. Those toxins, those pent-up emotions create toxicity in our body over time too, and we need to be releasing those. We have mental toxins, the way we talk to ourselves, the way we beat ourselves up, much of which is unconscious and was not in our conscious awareness, and yet we know it's running in the background. We need to release the mental toxins, and then we can also have spiritual toxins that need to be addressed as well, confusion over who we are, our spirituality, etc. And so this is a big part of what I do, is not only helping people release the physical toxins, but also the mental, the emotional, and the spiritual toxins. Because when we clear it all, that's when we get to optimize our health. And that's how we address our toxin removal. And this is why I call myself the friendly toxin slayer, because it is the starting point for helping prevent chronic illness or helping people cure their chronic illness or optimize their health and regain their health and come back from that chronic illness and not have it again. So I love sharing this information. It's very simple, and our body was designed to self-heal when we create the environment for it to be able to do so. And this is one step in helping the body come back into balance so that it can self